What up, guys? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And today we are going to be doing a everyday simple makeup look. This makeup look should not take no more than 15 minutes, honestly. Let's see how it gets done. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I did these beautiful brows, definitely check the video in the description box. It is my most updated routine, and I'm so proud of these brows today, guys. Today is a very good brow day. It's a good brow day. Before we get into this thing, don't forget to subscribe, smash that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl uploads. A lot of you guys have been asking me about this type of video, so I was like, I might as well go ahead and do it. So this is the Muddy Glow Skin Perfecting Elixir. Okay, this is a oil for the face, gives you a nice glow. I will be using this today just to moisturize my face. My face is clean. Yeah, if you guys don't have like an elixir or anything, you can use any face oil that you guys may have. Just want to make sure your face is moisturized. You never want to put makeup on dry skin, okay? Plus this is going to give us a effortlessly popping glow, and that's what you want. In with the Fenty primer, because this is my favorite primer. As long as you guys have a decent primer that you guys like, you know, good for everyday wear and will make your makeup look real flawless, that's all you really need, honey. I mean, I think that was a little bit too much primer, especially because I ain't going nowhere, but I keep doing that, thinking that this primer is light, but it's not. You can use any foundation that you want. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop and Warm Mahogany. We're not gonna make this makeup too heavy, just natural looking and great for everyday use. Okay guys, so yes, I was using the Mario Badescu just to dampen my beauty blender, and now I'm just gonna pat in the foundation, not really rub it around, but pat it in. You know, you just want to slowly pat it in. And guys, you do not need to use so much foundation. I'm just doing that because I like full coverage. And next, I will be using the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is awesome. I'm not going to use that much, just a light layer. As you guys can see, I'm just using a light layer, and I'm not going to actually contour with cream either, because I'm going to contour with powder, which you guys will see after I bake. And yeah, I just like the matte finish, the flawless finish. You know, this will be perfect, guys. Perfect for every day. You know, it's not too much and it's not too little. So to set my makeup, I always use the Ben Nye Topaz if I'm not using the Beauty Bakery. And I just like to put light layers all over, because for me, this is a light makeup look. So I like to just put the light layers everywhere I put the concealer. And I'm using the Black Radiance complexion powder, whatever, in Ebony. And I use that to contour my nose and cheeks and forehead and jawline. And I like to just put a little bit on my lids for a little bit dimension. And I will be taking like a Morphe brush and just contouring my cheeks and my jawline. Gotta look a little snatched out here, you know. To dust all that powder away, I will be using some Ruby Kisses, and I'm just using these brown and pink colors just on my eyes to give it a little, again, some dimension. I like to use these on my eyes like as an everyday look, and yeah, I think it's pretty. You know, it's not too much, it is not too little. You do not have to do this part, guys. You can actually use some blush on your eyes if you want, but that's what I do. I just use that palette, that Graveyard palette. Not really a fan, but I do like it on my eyes. Just those two colors. And I will be using the Fenty eyeliner. I forgot the name of it, but yeah, the Fenty eyeliner. This shit was hella expensive, but it's worth it because it's freaking amazing, guys. I did kind of mess up my eyeliner here, guys, but that's because I was on the phone. The eyeliner part is optional. You do not have to do eyeliner every day. But if you are gonna wear lashes, you don't really need the eyeliner. But if you're not gonna wear lashes and you're just gonna, you know, do mascara, then just go ahead and just put some eyeliner on, you know. Make your eyes a little bit darker. Using some Maybelline mascara. I actually got this on sale for like $2 at Dwayne Reed. Cheap blush palette that I got from Forever 21 a few years ago. I need a new one, guys. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of blush. I really do not like blush, guys. As you can see right here, I put a little bit too much on, but I will fix that because I actually do not like blush. But I think I will try blush this fall. Blush is optional. Do not need blush, but yeah, I kind of took it away because I don't like all that blush. It reminds me of a clown. And these lashes from Coco Lashes, and I believe it's Glam. Oh no, these are Goddess. Yeah, these are the lashes Goddess. And I like to use hair glue, guys. I don't know what glue you guys like to use, but I like to use hair glue. Just look how beautiful these lashes are. Like, they're really pretty. They're not too thick or they're not too little. They're like amazing. Like, I love them. And I love bands that are thick because I can't deal with that skinny ass, thin ass strips. I can't. But these are perfect, guys. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. Pink Goddess from J-Cat Beauty highlighter. This was only $8, guys. I actually got this last year and I started sleeping on it and I forgot I had it. But just look how pretty it is. It's kind of like a chrome highlighter a little bit. I love it. It's effortlessly just gorgeous. And of course I use my Slay All Day spray to spray my brush first and my face. And I'm using this cheap ass liner pencil with the Fenty lip gloss. Looks amazing, guys. Looks perfect. I was gonna wear lipstick, but for every day this would be perfect. And I'm just taking out my hair, guys, and everything. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.